Hello and welcome to Music of Magic. Today, we're going to be learning the E7 chord. E7 is a bright, bluesy sounding chord with just a little bit of tension. If you already know the chord E major, then this is very similar. It actually uses just one less finger. Take a look and a listen. E7 uses 6 strings. We're going to begin with the 6th string, being open. Next, our 5th string has the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Next, our 4th string is open. After, we have our 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string. And after, our 2nd string and 1st string are both open. Again, if you already know the chord E major, then this chord is like E major, just no 3rd finger. Our 4th string is open. Be sure to use the tips of your fingers. Keep it up towards the ceiling, don't let them touch the strings next door, and give your neck a little breathing room right here. Also, be sure that your fingers are pushing down all the way to the wood. Now, let's give it a string check and see if all the strings are coming out. If all your strings came out, give it some strumming. If all your strings did not come out, take a listen to which one did not and make a slight adjustment. If you're looking to get comfortable with more common chords such as G, C, and D major, check out our beginning online course in the link below or at our website, musicofmagic.com. Well, very nice learning the chord E7. Get comfortable playing this with your other notes and chords, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep on playing!